Doy. And may we entertain last question to our audiences? Anyone? All right. There.
And for Milo, how did you get acquainted with Sir Doy? And how did you become close enough to him to make it?
During the first Sinimalaya 2005, I was one of the first finalists sa short film. And of course, Doy won sa ano. So, but hindi kami, we didn't know each other. Then when I was doing my first Cinema One full feature film, I'm having problem with my screenplay. Parang binibigyan kami ng problema ng Cinema One. Sabi ng line producer ko si Rika, dalhin natin kay Doy yan. Pag in-approve ni Doy, pag pinasa mo yan sa Cinema One, sasabi. Ganun nga nangyari. So we met up with Doy, I sent him the screenplay. Then after a week, binalik sa akin. Kasi yung mga corrections nakakatawa. Ang mga corrections lang niya ay yung uses ng nang, and. Pero wala siyang binago. Everything. As sinabi lang niya, just think about the ending and everything. So that's the first time that yun yung interaction with Doy. Naging close kami ni Doy. Close ba tayo, Doy? Kasi during the course ng interviews, kasi lahat during the time, lahat ng events si Doy, kasama namin si Deng. So, palagi ko yung magkasama and everything. Actually, parang stalker na ako and everything. I think halfway during the documentary, parang nagsisisi na si Doy. Akala ko ba, docu lang to, isang interview lang. And I think we did like 8 interviews with Doy. Then we went to like 6 events. So, sawang-sawa na siya sa akin and everything. But I'm very grateful kasi yung generosity ni Doy at saka ni Deng. Kasi, and of course, si Ida. Kasi kung hindi nila in-embrace yung project, this would have been possible. So, hindi ko pa formally nagpapatik. Maraming salamat, Doy, for letting me do this documentary. Sabi ni Doy, sana daw pinalitan ko yung title ng Mundo para mas maraming nanood. Sabi ko, anong title? Dapat ang title mo, Love Diaz. More people will come. So, sabi ko ganun. So, nagtatanong kayo ng future project ni Sir Doy. Ang hinihintay ko na future project ni Doy, na hopefully mangyari, is a screenplay written by Doy, na directed by Love Diaz and everything. Wow. And I think that's what we should look forward. Sana, bato natin sa universe yan for it to happen. Doy, sulat na.
All right. My small request lang naman.